Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope everyone is happy. God bless you and your family. My name is Kalayarasi. I am your science teacher. Today we are going to discuss about Science Unit 1 Physics Measurement. What is science? Science is a huge field of study. It deals with the search for knowledge about the universe and all that is in it. People who work in science are called scientists. Science include a wide range of subjects. These subjects can be grouped into three branches: the physical science, the life science, and the social science. Now move on. Physical science. The physical science deal with the non-living things. From the tiny particles that make up an atom to the universe itself. Physics, the study of the matter and the forces that act on it. Chemistry, the study of the substances. Astronomy is the study of the stars, the planet, and other objects in outer space. The earth science or the study of the earth features. Mathematics, the study of the numbers in the physical science too. It is also a tool used in almost every other area of the science. Second one, life science. Life science divided in four types: biology, botany, zoology, and medicines. The life science deal with the living things and their surroundings. Living things, for example, plants, animals, and human being. Biology. Number one, biology. Biology is the study of the natural world and everything that lives in it. Botany, the study of the plants, and zoology, the study of the animals or field within biology. Medicine is the science of health. Third one, social science. The social science divided in five types: sociology, psychology, geography, anthropology, economics. The social science deal with the human life and culture. Sociology is the study of the society or the groups that people form. Psychology, the study of the human mind and emotion. Geography is the study of the earth's surface. Anthropology is the study of the humans through history. Economics, the study of the wealth. Scientists believe there is the natural explanation for most things. For any problem they try to understand the case so they can come up with a solution. The process that scientists use to solve a problem is called the scientific method. Now move on. Physics. Did you know astrophysics is the physics of object in the sky such as the star and galaxy? Physics, it's one of the major branches of the science. People who work in the physics are called physicists. Physicists study matter and force, push or pull that act on it. Physicists also study many different forms of energy. The object that physicists study range in size from the tiny building block of the matter to huge group of star. Physics is divided into many fields of study. Physics first developed as people began to wonder about the physical world around them. The ancient Greeks studied the motions of object. Motions means moving of object in the sky and the physical property of the things so earth. Early in the 1600, the Italian scientist Galileo studied how all things fall to earth at the same speed. At the end of the 1600, the English scientist Isaac Newton explained the law of gravity and motion. In the late 1800s, scientists discovered that tiny particles make up atoms. In the early 1900s, the German American physicist Albert Einstein helped to explain the behavior of these particles. Einstein also proposed an entirely new way of thinking about space, time, and gravity. Now move on. International System of Unit SI. The International System of Unit SI and International Decimal System of Weight and Measure derived from the metric system of measurement. Developed by international agreement, it is the most widely used system of measurement, especially for scientific work. The abbreviation SI is based on the system is French name system, international unit, and it's used in all language. The SI consists of 7 base unit from which other unit are derived. SI base unit. The 7 based unit of the SI are the meter, kilogram, second, Kelvin, ampere, candela, and mole. Once again, the 7 base unit of the SI there are Kelvin, meter, ampere, second, mole, kilogram, and candela. Second one, meter, m. It's the unit used to measure length and distance. 1 meter it's defined as the distance traveled by light in a vacuum in. Third one, ampere, electrical current, A. It's the unit of electrical current, the electric current in a wire where the charge is carried by flowing electrons in a measure the amount of charge passing any point of the wire per unit time. Next one, fourth one, second, S. There's a unit of time. It is defined the terms of the radiation frequency at which atom of the element cesium change from one state to another. Next one, mole, amount of substances. This is as a unit used to measure the amount of substances. Next one, kilogram. Kilogram, kg used to calculate mass, weight which is measured to amount of matter is an object or substances. Next one, last one, candela. Candela CD is a measure to luminous intensity of brightness. Now we will going to discuss about measurement. We have already heard about the word like weight, kilogram, liter, milliliter, kilometer, length, distance, etc. In the chapter, let's we have deeper look at length, weight, volume, and time, and the necessity to measure them. Definition of measurement. Measurement. It's a comparison of unknown quantity with known fixed quantity known as measurement. I'm going to ask you some questions about measurement. Measurement. How old are you? To find how old are you, you need to measure time. Second one, how much do you weight? You must weight yourself. Third one, how tall are you? To know how tall you are, you need to measure your height or length. How much water can be filled in your water bottle? To know how much water you can fill in your water bottle, you need to measure the capacity of your water bottle. How hot it is today? To find out how hot it is today, you need to measure the temperature. So, what exactly it's a measurement? Measurement it's a process to finding number that to show the amount of something. First one, time. The ongoing sequence of event its time. We can measure time in second, minutes, hours, days, weeks, month and year. A clock and a calendar help us to measure time. And second one, weight. The amount of matter that things consist of called its weight. Measuring weight means to measure the heaviness of things like vegetables and your body weight. Weight can be measured in grams, kilogram and pound. Third one, length. The amount of something that is measured from one end to the other along the longest side and called as length. Length it's measured in centimeter, meter, kilometer, feet and miles. Next one, capacity. Capacity it's a measure of how much quantity things can hold. Capacity is measured in liters and gallons. Next one, temperature. The temperature of the things, the measurement of how hot or cold it is. Temperature is measured in Celsius or Fahrenheit and Kelvin. We can convert from one unit of measurement to another. Now move on, length. What is length? The distance between one end and the other desired end is called as length. Length is the term used for identify the size of an object. Size of the object from one point to the length, a measure of how long the object is or the distance between 2 points. It is used for identify the size of object or distance from one point to another. The length of object it is external dimension, that is longest side. For example, the length of the ruler in the picture is 15 centimeter. Here the arrow above the ruler denote the length of the ruler as it is the longest side of the ruler. Different unit of length. The standard unit of length based on the metric system it's a meter m. According to the length that need to be measured, we can convert meter into various units like millimeter, mm, centimeter, cm and kilometer, km. Centimeter and millimeter help measure smaller length and meter and kilometer help measure large length like distance. For example, the length of the pencil can be calculated in centimeter, cm, while kilometer can measure the distance between two building or place. Now move on. Know the unit of the length. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. 100 equal divisions. 100 equal divisions of the meter give a centimeter. It is written as centimeter, that is 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1000. 1000 equal divisions of kilometer give meter, that is 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. According to the length conversion chart, the different unit of length and their equivalent are given below. A kilometer km, meter m and centimeter cm, there are commonly used unit of length. Now move on, measuring tools. Types of measuring tools. First one, stop clock. Stop clock or stopwatch used to measure the time interval of an event. It's a kind of watch that stand out for the accuracy and precision with which it can measure the time of event. It also known as chronometer and used to measure fractions of time, usually short and accurately. Second one, measuring tape. It is used to measure the length of the distance. A tape measure or measuring tape, it's a flexible ruler used to measure size or distance. It consists of the ribbon or cloth, plastic, fiberglass or metal strip with a linear measurement marking. It is a common measuring tool. Measuring tape measured the length of over 100 meter. Next one, measuring jar. It is used to measure the volume of the liquid. Graduated cylinder, also known as measuring cylinder or mixing cylinder, is the common piece of laboratory equipment used to measure the volume of a liquid like water, milk and juice. It has narrow cylindrical shape. Each marked line on the graduated cylinder represent the amount of a liquid that has been measured. Next one, balance. It is used to measure the mass of the object, weight of the object like vegetables, fruits, rice and etc. Now move on. Why do we need SI unit? The sake of uniformity, scientists all over the world have adopted a common set of unit to express measurement. The system is called as International System of Unit or SI unit. The SI unit of length is meter. The SI unit of mass is kilogram. Mass means weight. The SI unit for time is second. The area of the surface, meter square. The volume of solid, meter cube. Today's science assignment, answer the following. Learn question answers. Thank you.